Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about bromocryptine. What is bromocryptine? Bromocryptine is actually an ergot derivative. Okay, this bromocryptine has agonistic action. It has agonist activity at D2 receptors. It has agonistic activity at D2 receptors, and this bromocryptine will behave as partial agonist, or it will behave as antagonist. It behaves as partial agonist or antagonist at D1 receptors. Okay, this bromocryptine is a sympatholytic. It is a sympatholytic dopamine agonist, and this bromocryptine will improve, because it is a sympatholytic dopamine agonist, it improves glycemic control. Okay, so these are the important points about bromocryptine. So this bromocryptine is actually, use of bromocryptine is associated with valvular heart diseases. Okay, now if you were asked a list of the drugs which are associated with valvular heart disease, list of the drugs associated with valvular heart disease, this is the question of, that is cabergoline, bromocryptine obviously is associated with valvular heart disease, and also pergolide, cabergoline, bromocryptine, pergolide, that is associated with valvular heart disease. Now if you were asked what are the uses of bromocryptine, uses of bromocryptine is used in, number one, it can be used in hyperprolactinemia. Why is it used in hyperprolactinemia? It is used in hyperprolactinemia due to macroprolactinomas which are causing galactorrhea. Hyperprolactinemia due to macroprolactomas. Hyperprolactinemia due to macroprolactomas. In this there is increased production of prolactin. Okay, this prolactin is inhibited by the dopamine receptors. Because it activates dopamine, so as a result the prolactin secretion can be inhibited. Okay, bromocryptine can be used in Parkinsonism. It can be used in acromegaly. Okay, bromocryptine will inhibit prolactin, so it can be used for suppression of lactation. It can be used in hepatic coma and type 2 diabetes mellitus. It can be used in type 2 diabetes mellitus. So these are the main uses of bromocryptine. Thank you for watching.